The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2015 Acura RDX. Now this has a bare roof from the factory, so no rails attached. We've just installed the Yakima BaseLine JetStream base roof rack system. So this system consists of the Yakima JetStream load bar. This happens to be black, silver is also available, 60 inches in length. The BaseLine towers, which come in a set of 4, and the base clips for the front are base clip 148, and for the rear it's 105. So overall you have a weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed. Crossbar spacing is at 32 inches from center to center of the crossbars. So a great foundation for all your carrying needs, whether it's bikes, kayaks, cargo, pretty much almost anything you want to carry. So this is just a quick look at this particular fit. For more details, pricing, and easy ordering, click the link in the description below. That'll take you back to our website where you can purchase this complete roof rack super easy. So any questions, feel free to reach out to us. But that's it for this one. Like always, thanks for watching.